Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu, do you know what he was known as? أفضل من مشى على الأرض بعد الأنبياء. The best person to tread the earth after the prophets of Allah was Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu. What a great man. People are jealous of him. They try to take his status away. It's normal. When you make a lot of money, what do people say? Drugs, drugs. Right? When you make a lot of money, what do people say? Tax scams, tax scams. They look at you, they cannot stomach the fact that Allah has blessed you. Same happens to Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anhu. Allah blessed him the most. So people come and say, he wasn't even a companion. It wasn't him who was in the cave. Relax, those are sour grapes, astaghfirullah. You are just jealous, that's it, nothing else. He was the best. So was Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu. The hadith says, when Umar used to walk, shaitan used to be in another gully altogether. He had no guts to actually come on the same path as Umar. And this is why some people cannot see eye to eye with Umar radiallahu anhu. Up to today, they say he was a bad man, bad man. Why? They are perhaps shayateen. May Allah forgive us. They are following a different gully altogether.